Here, Nick. Here.
Oh, the bird gonna poop on you.
Here, let's see if we can find one to come to us. I don't know. She said that one might not be very nice.
Yeah, that one might not.
Here, come here. Come here, Nick. Watch out, you're spilling. Watch out. Come here. Here, come here. 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 Here, Nick, come here. Here, come here and hold this. Hold this. Hold it. Come here. Come here, bro. Just hold it still. Hold on. You're spilling it. Here, bro. Hurt. Come here. Oh! Here, look. Nick, hold on. You're spilling it, buddy. Here, here, here. Here, hold it out. Hold it out to me. Hold it in front of him, he'll get a drink. He might not like to be petted. One bit me, so. No freebies. Good.
Oh, Dad, that's cute, ain't it?
That is cute. Watch out. You want to touch him? Drive-by.
You don't want to be petted.
Something like that. What is it? Is this milk, Dad?
Yeah, it's nectar. That's what they like to eat.
Going down, you promise. See, this is bird poop. We don't want you stepping in bird poop. Grabbing stuff off the floor and eating it. No, we're going outside.
Dad, ain't this cute? It's
Okay, come on.